know the pains that comes from being unprofitable as a forex trader. Trust me, I was once in your shoes. I failed for 2 years. I thought trading was about predicting price action, learning bullish and also bearish market structure. The day I learned how to spot profitable patterns and I also learned how to wait with patience, that was the moment my forex trading finally made sense. And if you are tired of losing money and jumping from one strategy to another without seeing result, then this video is for you. My name is Loaded Forex, aka no signal, no entry. In today's video, I will break down the exact mindset shift, the patterns and trading logic that helped me to move from confusion to clarity. If your goal is to learn how to trade profitably this year, make sure you watch this video till the end. It could change your entire trading journey. If that sounds good, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our powerful forex trading lessons, and I will see you after the intro. One major difference between profitable trader and unprofitable trader is profitable traders come to the market to find profitable patterns. They come to the market to execute only profitable A+ setups. Why unprofitable traders or forex beginners, they come to the market to take random setups, and that's why they keep losing money all the time. Whenever beginner trader comes to the market, they see that the price action is going up, then they start buying, or the price action is going down, then they start selling without proper criteria, without confluences, without a perfect picture of the patterns they are looking for. But profitable traders, the reason why they are making money is because they have the picture of profitable A+ patterns each time they come to the market. And that is why profitable traders are patient, they are disciplined, they have the patience to wait for hours, days or weeks sometimes before they see the picture of the profitable patterns. And that is the reason I'm making this video, to review the picture of profitable patterns in the market. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the common beginner mistakes you need to avoid whenever you see these profitable patterns, how to execute it and how to apply patience with proper risk management. And if that sounds good, let's dive into the market. The name of the pattern is head and shoulder. The meaning of this head and shoulder pattern is a chart pattern system that represents sellers. They fall under the bearish reversal chart pattern for bearish market, right? When you come across this pattern, is a sign that sellers are fully in control of the market. And when you see it, just trade in the same direction of this head and shoulder pattern, because the head and shoulder pattern represents the presence of sellers in the market. That means price want to start selling. Let me show you the picture illustration of this head and shoulder. We have shoulder zone here. Then we have the head, then we have the second shoulder here, then price break the neckline to the downside. Now the name of this place is known as mitigated shoulder, while the second shoulder is also known as mitigated shoulder, while the top side is known as a head. That is why we call it head and shoulder pattern. And this head and shoulder pattern represents sellers in the market. When you see this pattern, it's a sign that price action want to start selling to the downside. I'm going to show you how to recognize this pattern in the market. Then after that, I will show you how to execute it using Loaded Forex blueprint strategy. If you look at the chart of AUD USD on the daily time frame, we have our shoulder zone here. Then if you extend it to the right side, you're going to see a shoulder here. We have shoulder here, we have head here, then another shoulder zone here. We also have a shoulder zone here. If you extend it to the right side, you're going to see a shoulder here. Then we have head here, then we have another shoulder here. Now we have another shoulder zone here. If you extend it to the right side, you see that the price action created this shoulder zone, head here, then another shoulder zone here. Let me show you another example of these patterns on Euro USD as well, so that you understand that this pattern works on all pairs. And this another beautiful example, the picture of the profitable patterns here. We have shoulder here, we have head here, then we have another shoulder zone here. Let me show you another beautiful example here. We have shoulder zone here. If you extend it to the right side, we have shoulder, we have head, then we have another shoulder. Anytime you see this pattern, don't hesitate. Follow the pattern. Look for sell opportunity. Wait for price action to come back to the second shoulder here. Then you execute without hesitation. You execute with proper risk management, with patience and discipline to wait until you see this profitable A+ patterns that I'm showing you guys. But after this session, I'm going to show you how to execute it in a profitable way. Before I forget, if there's any specific challenge you are facing in your trading journey right now, whether it's understanding a strategy, how to manage your risk, please let us know in the comment section and we'll make sure to cover it in the future content. Let me show you another picture of this head and shoulder here. We have shoulder here, head here, and then we have another shoulder zone here. Another picture here, we have shoulder here extended to the right side. Price action created the shoulder, head, then price mitigated it, so down a little bit. Then we have another example here. We have shoulder zone here. This is head, shoulder, then the second shoulder. Let me show you another example here. We have shoulder zone here. Then we have another shoulder, then we have head. So you can see the price action sold here to the neckline, then bought again to mitigate it. Then what do you see? Boom, 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 boom to the downside. If you focus on these profitable patterns over and over, you exercise patience to wait until you see it. Even if it takes few hours, days or weeks, just wait until you see the patterns. These are the qualities of profitable traders that you beginner traders or unprofitable traders don't understand. Your ability to wait for the profitable patterns or A+ setups will help you to become a profitable trader this year. Let's dive into the next session where I will be showing you how to trade this profitable pattern, head and shoulder, whenever you come across it in the market. Looking at the chart right now, you can see a clear picture of this pattern. Let me use this part 2 to draw it. We have shoulder here, head here, then our shoulder. So this is how the pattern is supposed to be, whereby we have our shoulder zone here. Then if you extend it to the right side, this place is going to become the unmitigated shoulder zone, where this place is mitigated shoulder zone, while this place is going to be our head, while this place will be the neckline. Let me label it. We have this place as the neckline zone, then here as the mitigated shoulder zone, while this place has the unmitigated shoulder zone, while this place is going to be our head. Right? So whenever you see the pattern like this, just wait for the price action to sell down to the neckline, acting as support zone here. Then exercise a lot of patience and wait for a pullback or a retracement back to the unmitigated zone. When you see that the price action already mitigate this zone, this place is going to serve as your PO high, your point of interest, where you want to execute your sell position to the downside. You are taking a sell position at this unmitigated shoulder zone here to the downside to break the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern. And if you look at the chart right now, we have similar picture. Let me show you the line chart. You can see very well. We have a clear shoulder around the zone, and if we extend it to the right side, we have what we call shoulder here, then head here, then the unmitigated shoulder zone, and this place is our neckline zone. Right, let me increase the pixel. We have this place as neckline zone. What we are expecting right now is the price action to buy back to this unmitigated zone so that we can look for sell opportunity at this zone. Let's take it back to chart. Being able to identify this pattern is not enough if you lack patience. Trust me, Forex trading will only reward patience. Forex trading is structured in a way to take money from impatient traders and hand it over to patient traders, those that can wait for the best quality profitable patterns in the market. Trust me, if you learn how to identify these patterns. If you lack patience, you will not be profitable, because to trade these profitable patterns require patience to follow your trading plan. You must have a trading plan, how you want to trade the pattern, the risk management you want to use, your trade management, right? And you have to follow all the rules you write down inside your trading plan. And after execution, then you have to report all your activities, your reaction, how you close your profit, how you close your stop loss. Then you have to put everything down inside your trading journal. These are the things that will help you to track your activities in the market. Looking at the chart right now, this place is our neckline zones acting as support. Then this place is going to be our head and shoulder zone. So we want the price action to give us a retracement back to this zone so that we can take sell opportunity to the downside. The next step is to scale down to 30-minute time frame for our execution. So we want the price to retrace back to this our PO high zone. And before we execute, there are entry criteria we must follow. That is confluences. What are the confluences? Number one, we need to see volume reduction. Number two, we need to see weak rejection. Then number three, we need to see counter trend line breakouts, right? Then change of structure. Number four, we need change of structure. That is COS. All these things matters. We need to see 4 over 4. If we're able to see 3 out of 4, no trade, no signal, no entry. That should be your motto in this year. But if you are able to see 4 over 4, execute without hesitation. There is no need for you to be doubting. Execute. These are the things that will help you to become profitable. If you can repeat this same blueprint over and over, trust me, you will see a lot of improvements. And these are the basic steps that I took that helped me to become profitable after 2 years of failure. All these things are very, very important. Without this, you are going nowhere. Without your trading plan, without profitable patterns, without patient discipline, and your ability to wait, you are going nowhere. Waiting is the most important thing, because the money you are looking for is hidden behind the waiting time. You have to learn how to wait for this profitable pattern this year. So right now we have to wait for the price action to buy towards our point of interest. As you can see, the price is already approaching it. So let's scale down back to 30-minute time frame to watch the price action. As the price is approaching our PO high, the number one sign we want to see is volume reduction. Inside this our PO high, let's see what the price action will offer us. Price is approaching it. Now, finally, we have our number one sign. You can see the momentum of the candlesticks here, high momentum. After this high momentum, what happened? You can see volume reduction. You can see momentum of these candlesticks here, low volume momentum. Sellers are trying to take charge of the market, and at the same time, buyers are also making effort to take charge of the market. That is volume reduction. The second one is weak rejection. As you can see, we have weak rejection at the top of the candlesticks here. The sign number 3 is to establish our counter trend line by connecting our trend line from one point to another. So how many points do we have right now? We have 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. There are 4 points. That is 4 touches. That makes this counter trend line a valid one. Then the last one is our change of structure. And if you look at the structure right now, this place is serving as the last higher low during this bullish market on 30-minute time frame. We have low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Then price created a new higher high. So we want to see a change of structure around this zone. We want the price action to break the structure to the downside to validate our bearish momentum to the downside. So let's play the candlesticks and see what the price action will offer us on this trade. Then you can see the price action consolidated around this zone for a short period of time before price action broke out. And which candlestick broke or invalidated this structure to the downside? We have these healthy bearish candlesticks, and that is going to be our entry, right? Our entry is going to be around this zone here. By using our short position tool, we place it here, then we put our stop loss above here, then we target the next support key zone. This is about ratio 1 to 3 risk to reward. If you are risking 1% on your trading account, at the end of the day you are going to make 3% of it. For instance, let's say you are risking $2,000 on this trade. By the time the trade goes in your favor, at the end of the trade you will be making about $6,000 on this trade. So let's see what the price action will offer us. Price is moving towards our take profit level. All right, if this video has added value to your trading journey, inspired you or blessed you in any way, we would truly appreciate your support for the channel. The best way to do that is by simply clicking the like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, which tells YouTube this content is helpful and pushes it out to more traders who might need it. Also, don't forget to stay connected with us and continue receiving practical tips, strategies, and insight that can make a real difference in your trading results. And I will see you next time.